Welcome to my channel, BodyTalk. When the heart muscle is unable to pump blood as effectively as it should, heart failure results. Shortness of breath can result from fluid accumulation and blood backing up in the lungs. The heart becomes too weak or stiff to adequately fill and pump blood as a result of certain heart diseases over time. These conditions include elevated blood pressure and cardiac artery narrowing. With the right care, heart failure symptoms may be lessened, and some people may survive longer. A change in lifestyle can enhance one's quality of life. Make an effort to control stress, exercise, cut back on salt, and decrease weight. However, cardiac failure can be fatal. Heart failure patients may experience severe symptoms. A heart transplant or a gadget to aid in the heart's blood pumping may be necessary for some people. Congestive heart failure is another name for heart failure. Signs and symptoms: your heart cannot pump enough blood to meet your body's needs if you have heart failure. The onset of symptoms may be gradual. Symptoms of heart failure can occasionally appear suddenly. Among the signs of heart failure are breathlessness when moving or when resting, weakness and exhaustion. The legs, ankles, and feet swell, an erratic or fast heartbeat, a diminished capacity for exercise, wheezing, a persistent cough or one that produces pink or white mucus with blood splatters, an increase in the size of the abdomen, rapid weight gain due to fluid accumulation, experiencing nausea and appetite loss, reduced attentiveness or trouble focusing, chest pain if a heart attack is the cause of heart failure. When to consult a physician if you believe you may be experiencing heart failure symptoms. Consult your healthcare provider if you experience any of the following: dial 911 or seek emergency medical assistance, pain in the chest, prolonged weakness or fainting, a fast or erratic heartbeat accompanied by dyspnea, a chest discomfort or fainting, abrupt, intense dyspnea, and coughing up frothy white or pink mucus. Heart failure could be the cause of these symptoms. However, there are numerous additional potential reasons. Don't attempt self-diagnosis. In order to determine whether your symptoms are caused by heart failure or anything else, medical personnel perform tests at the emergency room. If you have heart failure and your symptoms suddenly worsen, give your doctor a call immediately. A new symptom appears. Then a few days, you gain at least 5 pounds, 2.3 kilograms. Such alterations may indicate that medication is ineffective or that pre-existing heart failure is worsening. Reasons: a weak, injured or rigid heart can result. In cardiac failure, the heart chambers may enlarge and extend if the heart is weak or injured. The ventricles, the heart's primary pumping chambers, cannot fill with enough blood in between beats if they are stiff. The heart is unable to pump out the necessary amount of blood. Certain illnesses, excessive alcohol use, recreational drug use, and some chemotherapy medications can all harm the heart muscle. Your genes may also be involved. Heart failure can also result from any of the following disorders that weaken or damage the heart: heart attacks and coronary artery disease. The most frequent cause of heart failure is coronary artery disease. The accumulation of fatty deposits in the arteries causes the illness. The arteries are constricted by the deposits. A heart attack may result from this decrease in blood flow. When an artery supplying the heart becomes totally clogged, a heart attack happens abruptly. The heart may no longer be able to pump blood as effectively if the heart muscle is damaged during a heart attack. Elevated blood pressure. This disorder, also known as hypertension, makes the heart work harder than it should in order to pump blood throughout the body. The cardiac muscle may become too weak or rigid to adequately pump blood as a result of the additional strain over time. Disease of the heart valves. The heart's valves maintain proper blood flow. The heart has to work harder to pump blood when a valve isn't functioning correctly. Over time, this may weaken the heart. Heart failure may be reversed by treating certain forms of heart valve dysfunction. Myocarditis, or inflammation of the heart muscle. Left-sided heart failure may result from myocarditis, which is most frequently brought on by a virus, such as the COVID-19 virus. A congenital heart defect, which is a cardiac problem that you are born with. The other components of the heart must work harder to pump blood if the heart and its chambers or valves are not properly formed. Heart failure could result from this. Arrhythmias or irregular heartbeats. The heart may beat too quickly due to irregular heart rhythms, which puts additional strain on the organ. Heart failure can also result from a slow heartbeat. For some patients, heart failure can be reversed by treating an abnormal cardiac rhythm. Additional illnesses, chronic. Heart failure may be exacerbated by certain chronic illnesses. A buildup of iron or protein, diabetes, HIV infection, or an overactive or underactive thyroid are a few examples. Allergy responses are another cause of abrupt heart failure. Any disease that impacts the entire body, lung clots of blood, serious illnesses, the use of specific medications, viral infections that target the cardiac muscle, the left ventricle. The lower left chamber of the heart is typically where heart failure starts. This is the primary pumping chamber of the heart. However, the right side can also be affected by heart failure. The right ventricle is the name given to the lower right chamber of the heart. Both sides of the heart may occasionally be impacted by heart failure. Risk elements coronary artery disease is one of the illnesses and ailments that raises the risk of heart failure. The heart's ability to pump oxygen-rich blood may be restricted by narrowed arteries, which could weaken the heart muscle. A heart attack. One type of coronary artery disease that happens unexpectedly is a heart attack. The heart may no longer be able to pump blood as effectively if the heart muscle is damaged during a heart attack. Disease of the heart valves. Heart failure is more likely to occur in those with malfunctioning heart valves. Elevated blood pressure. When blood pressure is high, the heart has to work harder than it has to. Heartbeat irregularities. Heart failure can result from irregular heartbeats, particularly if they are rapid and extremely frequent. Heart illness that is congenital. Some heart failure patients had abnormalities in their heart structure or function from birth. Diabetes. Diabetes raises the risk of coronary heart disease and excessive blood pressure. Apnea during sleep, low blood oxygen levels, and an increased risk of irregular heartbeats are the results of this inability to breathe correctly as you sleep. Weakened hearts can result from these things. Being overweight. Individuals who are obese are more likely to experience heart failure. Infections caused by viruses. The heart muscle may sustain damage from certain viral infections. The following medications may raise your risk of heart failure. A. Few medications for diabetes. It has been discovered that some persons are more susceptible to heart failure after taking the diabetic medications pioglitazone, Actos, and rosiglitazone, Avandia. Consult your healthcare provider before ceasing to use these medications. A few other medications: non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, and certain medications used to treat high blood pressure, cancer, blood disorders, irregular heartbeats, diseases of the nervous system, mental health disorders, lung and urinary disorders, and infections are additional medications that can cause heart failure or heart conditions. Aging is another risk factor for heart failure. Even in healthy individuals, the heart's capacity to function declines with age. Drinking alcohol. Excessive alcohol use can cause heart failure by weakening the heart muscle. Tobacco use or smoking. Complications: give up smoking if you do. Tobacco use raises the risk of heart failure and heart disease. Issues: even if your heart failure symptoms get better, it's still crucial to get regular checks. To look for issues, your healthcare provider can examine you and perform tests. Your age, general health, and the severity of your heart disease all affect the complications that can arise from heart failure. These could consist of kidney failure or injury. The kidneys may receive less blood if you have heart failure. Kidney failure may result if left untreated. Dialysis may be necessary to treat kidney impairment brought on by heart failure. Alterations in other hearts. The size and function of the heart might vary as a result of heart failure. Heart valve damage and irregular heartbeats may result from these alterations. Damage to the liver. A accumulation of fluid from heart failure might place excessive strain on the liver. The liver's ability to function normally may be hampered by scarring from this fluid backup. Abrupt heart death. A dangerously irregular cardiac rhythm could cause abrupt death if the heart is weak. Avoidance treating. And managing the problems that can lead to heart failure is one strategy to avoid it. These ailments include obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, and coronary artery disease. Heart failure may be prevented by adopting some of the same lifestyle modifications that are used to treat it. Check out these heart-healthy suggestions. Avoid smoking, eat well, and exercise frequently. Keep your weight within a healthy range. Manage and lessen stress, as prescribed. Take your medications. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe my BodyTalk channel for more body insights.